Many people ask me, what is an FHA loan? Hi, my name is Joseph Wooliger and I am a running realtor, and this is the Running Realtor Value Minute. Let's talk about FHA loans. An FHA loan allows buyers to purchase with as little as 3.5% down and more flexible credit guidelines. That's why many first-time buyers and budget-conscious buyers use them. The trade-off is mortgage insurance and stricter property condition standards. The home has to be safe and well-maintained. For sellers, FHA isn't a red flag if the home is prepped correctly. So if you're looking to sell or you're looking to buy, reach out to me, 347-729-4104, or runningrealtor@gmail.com. That's running with 3 N's. Realtor@gmail.com. Have a wonderful day.